Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold comes to us from my friend Jeremy Karras of CPG in St. Louis. This was a piece he designed for client Butler Builders. This was printed by James Printing in Kansas City. And this is a very rare format. This is a hexagonal snake fold. So if you watch Fold of the Week, a classic snake is a roll fold that starts in the middle and it rolls all the way around, kind of coiling like a snake. Well, this is a hexagonal shaped snake fold. So it opens up. And by the way, this piece was designed to get people to register for a sales meeting. So it opens around, so it's got that snake fold characteristic, but it's in a hexagon shape. And it goes around, around, around. Sorry, it's a little hard to hold it up right the entire time here. But as you can see, a very tricky die line, and each panel has to get slightly smaller in each direction to tuck in, and you're really just accommodating for that dimensionality of the sheet as it's tucking in. So these are die, score, hand fold. These were printed on 80-pound flow gloss cover, so they feel really great. These were printed on a 40-inch Komori press, so just really, really fun and cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Hexagonal snake fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.